Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to save Photoshop picture as JPEG. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Photoshop. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to my Photoshop workspace. So the very first thing you need to do after you are done with every editing about your pictures in Photoshop, so you have to come to the top right here. You go to File, then from File, make sure you navigate to Save As. Then make sure you save on your computer. Then this window is going to pop up. Then you can change from the Save As type. You can change to JPEG. Then you can rename it example image. Then click on Save. So just like so. So there are different formats as far as JPEG quality is concerned. Right here, make sure you always leave it in maximum. Maximum is the higher version, higher resolution of JPEG file. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on OK. So in a few minutes, you are going to have the image saved as JPEG with higher resolution on your PC. That means the next thing I'm going to do is to simply minimize this. And this is the example page. I'll press Enter key on my keyboard just to open the image. So just like so, we have it in higher resolution as JPEG. So you can see the quality still remain. So just like so. Okay, so basically this is how to save your Photoshop picture as JPEG in higher resolution. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.